Hey, fellow traders. Viewing trades for today, January 29th. Today we had quite a profitable day on my day trading account, and then on my swing trading account, I have only gotten into one new trade. So we'll start with TSM put call. TSM, I actually traded this both long and short. As you see here, TSM opened up here and then came up into this area right here and then went short. So on the 65-minute, TSM was actually quite bullish, breaking above this, trading above this 5-hour lean consolidation. I went long on this here in the morning due to the fact that, unlike the market that today just uh, chopped around lower, this one traded above the 65 minutes. So I got in right here as it was close to the uh, 5 minute that was coming up, and I got out right here for profit of 375. Then when I saw this buy setup failure and it started to trade lower, I got in short with a stop right here, and this stock just moved down. I got out at the 15-minute area right here for plus 308. I did Tesla puts today. Tesla on all time frames is lower. So today I saw that the day it's trading below the daily moving averages, and then the 65-minute came into play here, coming downwards, and it was trading below both 65s, and then being weaker than the market, it was trading below the VWAP as well. And with the 5-minute catching on, I got in right here as it touched it, came back and closed below. Initially I got out for 2 contracts here, and then it came back up. I had to get out for break even. Then I got in again right here, and again I was in profit, but I had to get out, break even. So I was actually up quite a lot on these trades. However, because it was so whippy, I chose to get out as soon as it came back up and started trading above um, the 5-minute 90 EMA. I did Nvidia puts. This puts was basically the 5-minute closing in right here, and Nvidia looking lower. It broke this kind of trend line right here. So I got into puts right here, and then I got out for 50 cents right here. I tried trading Microsoft twice on a 5-minute bear flag, and Microsoft got down and it was doing this bear flag, and over here as it did a topping tail, I got into puts right here. They were almost at 30 cents, and then they came out, so I got out for a small loss. And again right here I saw all of this, so I actually got in right here expecting this to break lower and come down. It did break the bull flag, however it still bounced on the VWAP, and I got out for a small loss. I traded Google. Google too was looking shorter today. Over here I traded as a green bar ignored after touching this 5-minute 90 EMA. It made a topping tail, and I got out approximately here for a loss when I saw that it wasn't working anymore. I traded BA twice today. First was long, and this was based on it being extended on a daily, so we traded it over here at 174. There was multiple red bars into 174. We traded it 2 times, 3 times, and as it over here came close to the 5-minute 90 EMA, I got into puts, and I got out right here and then we reversed it again, and I got into calls as it broke this little line, and I got out at the 9 minute, um, 9 EMA. Lastly, I did AMD. This this was a trade about um, this was a trade right here. So multiple green bar extended also. It's the other stocks in the sector look lower, so I got in. And when it came down here, it was only up a few cents, so I got out for a break even. I got out for a little bit over $62. Yes, and then we have my swing trade account. I haven't sold anything, but I got into another swing trade account today. Swing trade today. It's MU. MU on a 65-minute looks like a breakdown pattern. You see the monthly is bunch of topping tails, failure to go higher, then coming back down. Now it's been consolidating for 3 days, looking like a breakdown. And I'm thinking that now that the 65-minute has come down right here, it's soon going to trigger and go lower. And my target is over here, 83. Then I'm still in TOST that is consolidating. Like we said before, it's a weekly buy setup that's trying to go higher, and it's in the profits on this one. Then I'm in um, Disney, which today gapped up, which was nice. Looking like this trend line is holding and it's going higher now after resting for the last couple of days. So that's nice. I'm in profit on this one. I am in um, JetBlue still. This is a negative trade, and if it decides to go higher, that's really good for me. But otherwise, I'm just gonna have to get out when it closes. And lastly, I'm in mRNA still. mRNA has just been resting today, forming a wedge pattern. Hopefully, this means it's gonna go lower. As we discussed yesterday, the monthly is extended multiple red bars into the month. Then uh, you see this topping tail right here as support, failure to go lower, and the daily's been resting now. If it comes into this trend line, I think I'm gonna have to take it, or at least take half, and then we'll see about the rest later. So those were my trades in my current account. Like I said, 5 open trades currently. Most of them are trading positive except for JetBlue. Well, thanks.